Hi, this is Gary Allen, founder of Lean Law. This video is to show you how to use our law firm financial report card and the strategies checklist that goes with us. Let's start here on the report card tab. You can see there are 7 green boxes here that you'll need to fill in with data from your firm. The number of attorneys, the capacity per attorney, which is the amount, the potential revenue of the attorney if they were billed on budget and with 100% collection. There's a box here that if you think you've got room to improve your capacity relative to your competitors, you can mark that. Then in the next line, you have the total capacity of the firm, followed by the utilization. That's how many dollars in billable time were actually worked in the last year. Then realization, how much of that time was actually billed. Collection, how much was actually collected. And then overhead. And this one requires a little bit of attention because this is your total expenses except for those related to billable timekeepers, what you pay your partners, associates, and paralegals. And then the final box here is your profit. So that's your collection minus your overhead. So when you've done that, you get a grade over in this section. It's color coded from green to red, and you can see there were basically B's, C's, and D's on this example. So that gives you a sense of where you are relative to top performance. So let's go look at what you can do about that in the Strategies tab. So if we click on that, you can see there are a list of different strategies. I hope you can see this on the video. And let me explain what this does. So there are strategies to improve your capacity, strategies to improve your utilization, strategies relative to realization, collection strategies, and then profitability strategies. So let's look at each a little bit on those. So what you do is you're again going to fill out the green boxes. So this first one is just simply saying, do you even know how to measure this metric? And if the answer is no, then we blank out the rest of the strategies because that's the first priority. Got to be able to measure it to know what to do about it. Then the rest of these, it says they're marked as yes by default. That means that you want to consider that strategy. But if it's like, no, we're not going to do that, that doesn't apply to us, you just put no in here and the spreadsheet will blank out that cell. So you just go down and type yes or no to each one, and that will tailor this list to your needs. So that's how you use this thing. And in coming months, once you have a list of strategies, we're going to develop both white papers and videos to give you more detailed information on how to implement a strategy in your firm. So I hope this is useful. And please let me know if you have any questions. You can reach me by email at gary.allen@myleanlaw.com. Thank you very much.